Okay, so guys, for this next week, the thing that I want you to focus on drilling wise, 2 things to keep in mind. Everywhere you go, wherever you're walking, you could be at the grocery store, you could be walking around the house, you could be walking the dog. Anytime you're walking, I want you to be thinking quick, quick, slow, slow. Put some 2-step music on, any kind of slower song that you hear on the radio, and feel for the quick, quick, slow, slow. So you're just walking around and your feet are going quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. While you're doing that, think about 2-5, 2-5. Do that for like 2 to 5 minutes, 2 to 5 times a day. Don't be doing it for an hour. Just a little bit of time, a few times a day. 2 to 5. 2 to 5 minutes, 2 to 5 times a day to get yourself and your body into that kind of muscle memory. While you're doing it, remember we did quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Kind of gearing up on the second slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. So if I'm going this way, I want to be able to see a difference between quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, and quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Focus on those 2 things and drill them 2 to 5 times a day for 2 to 5 minutes apiece, and you'll be ready for this next week's class.
All right, here's a drill for the ladies. So one of the most important things is to hold our frame nice and strong. So I want you to think about when you're out and about, keeping your core in, keeping your hula hoop wide, and thinking about how often we need to come back to that frame. After we do the turns, coming back to the frame and that hula hoop for the sweetheart, or even for the wrap, or even to hold. All right, so be thinking about your frame and what that feels like so that whether or not you've got your lead with you, you're able to execute that and be in the right position.